Hi, this is the Clemson University OpenFlow Campus Trial Project. Clemson University's project mainly focuses on three aspects. So we are working on deploying OpenFlow on the campus Ethernet network, and then we also have a strong interest on working with our Network Operations Center, which is a professional-grade service on campus, to integrate the operation of OpenFlow with the production network. We have a strong interest on the wireless research, so we are also deploying a wireless mesh network that is going to support OpenFlow and that will enable the traffic analysis and handoff, all kind of research projects going on within the group. So our demo will focus on showing the operating components for the Ethernet network and also the wireless side of the project. And overall, all the software components for OpenFlow are up and running right now, and we'll show a handoff experiment over there.
Basically, what we have in our network is two slices. Here's our network topology. As you can see, this is our production network, and we're using a Heroku switch to pretty much handle all of our traffic. This is our experimental network, and we're using Open Roads Knox to control all the traffic in there. And these are our two wireless APs that we have acting as APs for clients to connect to.
What Sajendra will begin doing is he's walking a path. My name's Lynn Evans, and I do more of a wired network. He's walking a path where he will hand off between two PC engine access points that have OpenFlow enabled. And what you'll see is that the video coming through Skype will hand off without much interruption at all, thanks to OpenFlow's flow tables being updated and routing from one access point to the other. This is actually the OpenFlow. That's kind of like the handoff region of the two OpenFlow access points, and there was a small blip in the video, but what you notice is there's nothing really noticeable that you could distinguish between a regular Skype connection and not. What you see is that OpenFlow has then switched his connectivity to the second access point, and Envy shows that. One remnant that's currently kind of a bug in Lobby and Envy is that if you don't gracefully disconnect from one access point, when you connect to another one, the remnant will remain and therefore still be drawn. But that's not really the scope of what our project was. It was more to get everything incorporated and working correctly. So now he's walking back, and the handoff will occur when he turns the corner, and you won't notice any sort of major problem, other than the sun being behind him. Oh yeah. And what you'll see, if we were to rerun this, is you'd see that the access point's flow setup rate would switch drastically from access point 2, he just switched back to access point 1. And so most of the flows are being set up on access point 1 now as opposed to access point 2. If we had shown Snack at the very beginning, what you would see is just the inverse, and that access point 2 would have the majority of the flow setup rate, whereas access point 1 would have slowed off because the laptop would have been connected to access point 2 at that point.